We would like to present our simple blog about BMI Explorers. Our title is Mind and Body in Balance, a collaborative exploration of BMI stress in coupling. Hope you like it.
This activity were divided into three teams. The BMI Explorers, the Stress Management Strategies, and the Coping Strategy Creators.
We'll work together to understand how physical and mental health are connected and share practical ways to stay healthy and silent every day.
Hi, we're the BMI Explorers. BMI stands for Body Mass Index. It's a simple calculation that helps us know whether our body weight is healthy for our height.
Here's the chart. Here are how it works. The formula is weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared or BMI kilogram/meter squared.
Let's try a sample. Suppose a person weighs 65 kg and stands 1.70 meters.
According to BMI chart, that falls within the normal weight category, which is between 18.5 and 24.9.
Maintaining a healthy BMI is important not just for physical health, like preventing heart disease or diabetes, but also for mental health because it boosts confidence and energy levels.
Exactly. A healthy body supports a healthy mind.
When we're under exam stress, we might notice physical signs like headaches, trouble sleeping, or fatigue.
And emotional signs like anxiety, irritability, or feeling overwhelmed.
But the good news is stress can be managed. Here are three healthy techniques that really help.
First, deep breathing exercise. Take a slow breath in 4 seconds. Hold for 4, then exhale for 4. It calms your nervous system.
Second, time blocking. Plan your study hours and break to avoid cramming and burnout.
And third, sleep hygiene. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep before exam. Rested brains perform better.
There are two main types: positive adaptive and negative maladaptive coping strategies.
Positive strategies help you recover and grow, like talking to friends, exercising, or problem solving. Negative ones might give short relief but cause harm, like avoiding responsibilities or overacting.
Now, let's roleplay a scene using one positive coping strategy, seeking social support. I can't focus anymore. I feel like I fail everything.
Hey Sarah, take a break. Let's review together later. We can help each other with the hard parts.
Okay, let's make a study plan and treat ourselves after we've got this.
Thanks, guys. Talking to you really helped. I feel lighter already.
Remember, a healthy mind and a body work together. Stay strong, stay positive, and take care of yourself. Thank you for watching.